In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map task dependencies in Jira Cloud. If you've ever had a release delayed because one ticket depended on another and nobody caught it early enough, this walkthrough will help. Properly linking blockers in Jira makes your timeline clearer, improves team communication, and helps everyone understand what needs to happen first before work can move forward. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site or the official Atlassian sign-in page. Log in securely, then wait for your main dashboard to finish loading. From there, open the software project you're actively working in and select the task, story, or bug you want to review. The goal here is to begin from the exact issue that either blocks something else or is waiting on another task. Once the issue details are open, look near the top of the issue panel for the action bar. In that area, find the option labeled Link Issue and click it. This opens the linking tool that lets you define the relationship between your current issue and another one. When the link panel appears, the first thing to choose is the relationship type. Select Blocks if this issue must be completed before another issue can begin. Select is blocked by if this issue cannot move forward until another task is finished. Choosing the correct direction is important because it affects how your team interprets the dependency in boards, timelines, and status reviews. After that, click into the issue search field and enter the key for the related ticket, then select the correct result from the list. Before saving, you can add a short comment in the activity comment field. This is optional, but it's a very useful habit. A simple note explaining the dependency gives engineers, product owners, and project leads more context without forcing them to dig through messages or meeting notes. Keep it brief and specific so the relationship is immediately understandable. Next, click the link button to save the connection. At that point, the dependency is recorded and becomes visible inside the issue's linked items area. If you prefer a more visual approach, you can also use Jira's timeline or roadmap view. Open timeline from the left side navigation, then find your task on the schedule. Hover near the edge of the taskbar until the small connection handle appears. Click and drag that handle to the related task, then release it. Jira will create the dependency visually, which can be much faster when working across multiple issues. Finally, take a moment to confirm everything looks right. Check the linked issues section in the issue details and review the timeline connection if you created one there. Make sure the relationship direction is correct and that the linked task displays properly. Once that's done, your dependency tracking is live and ready to support cleaner planning, better visibility, and smoother releases.